Now, one of Jamaica's sporting officials is now calling for help after being left without sight. Garfield Grant was a netball coach and a track and field official.
John Lennon of the famed Beatles once said, "Living is easy with eyes closed." Well, it could be said that life is difficult with eyes open. That's the story of 50-year-old Garfield Grant. Grant was an active sports administrator before he was sidelined by visual impairment. The former netball coach of Progressive Strikers, Malines and Pepin High has been blind since late 2019.
I was at home one day, not feeling well, and I just went in to visit my doctor. When I went there, I found out that I had high blood pressure and sugar. When I found out, I was immediately rushed to the hospital. I was admitted for a couple of days, and from that I came back out of the hospital. I'm not seen from that till now.
And with Grant not able to see, life has become a challenge.
It's one of the most difficult things because I can't get to do anything what I love. No form of sports, I only can listen to those things on the radio, not seeing anything. If it's not the help of my daughter and my family member, I don't know how I would be operating right now.
He would love to do surgery, but financially, that's an uphill task.
But the last time I went to the eye specialist, he gave me hope. What he said to me is that once you have to rectify certain things, and it's a possibility for me to see back. But as I say, just to buy the medication for the eyes alone, it's over $15,000 just for 28 days.
Grant, a widower, was the sole provider for his daughter Tiana. Now it's Tiana who is the caregiver.
It's a struggle to being young, balancing work, the household, plus ensuring that everything that he has to do or his medication is taken on time, it's not missed, or ensuring that whatever he eats, it is up to the par, because once there is something off in the meal, it's right back to square one, right back to the doctor, right back to the hospital, and we don't really want to be, every time he's at a good level, something goes wrong to bring it right back.
Grant was also a starter assistant and worked at several major meets at the National Stadium. And who can forget the red card incident in 2006?
It was with Johan Blake at the stadium with that famous incident. I was the person who gave him the red card after from the instruction from the start to give him the red card. I gave him the red card. So I can solely remember that incident.
As a netball coach and a grade B umpire, Grant has won several trophies, including Umpire of the Year in 2012. He's also responsible for bringing through national netballer Kadian Dehaney.